Welcome back once again, my dear students. Today we will talk about heartwood and sapwood. It has been found that in most woody plants, the central part of stem it becomes non-functional and gets a darker color. This portion of stem is known as heartwood in botanical terminology. In these plants, the function of translocation of minerals and water it is carried out by the outer younger part of xylem, which is relatively lighter in color. Okay, and this is known as sap. Now, how heartwood formation takes place? The older xylem vessels and tracheids, which are present at the center of the stem, they become non-functional due to two factors. One is deposition of resinous, gummy, or tannin-like substances which are produced by adjacent parenchyma cells. Say this is an adjacent parenchyma cell. Okay, near it lies xylem tracheid or a xylem vessel. This parenchyma cell produces resinous, tanninous. Okay, these substances get deposited in these tracheids and vessels, thus blocking them. Okay. Second is tylosis. Tylosis are basically bladder-like growths of thin-walled parenchyma cells which move into the lumen of vessels and tracheids through pits, thus blocking them. Okay. Here, say this is a parenchyma cell. Okay, and near it lies a vessel. This parenchyma cell it produces an ingrowth, okay, bladder like ingrowth which grows into the lumen of this vessel through a pit. Okay, thus it blocks this vessel or tracheid. This blockage of central xylem elements renders them non-functional. They do not help the plant in transport of water and minerals. Okay, and this part of stem, as I have already told you, this is known as heartwood and it is darker in color. On top of that, it stores various kinds of products. Okay, because of these products, it becomes non-functional. It becomes non-performing. Okay, there are some important heartwoods which are of commercial importance because they contain different types of pigments. For example, hematoxylin, it is a pigment which is found in the wood of Hematoxylon campanium. इसी तरह Brazilian, it is a pigment, colored pigment, which is found in the wood of Caesalpinia xanthalinus, and then xanthalin, it is obtained from the wood of Pterocarpus xanthalinus. The outer young and functional part of xylem, I have already told you, that is known as sapwood. Okay, you have to remember one very important point, that the conversion of sapwood into heartwood is a progressive phenomena. That means the heartwood formation, it is a progressive phenomena. Here, let us say this is the stem. Okay, this portion of stem is represented by heartwood. In future, the heartwood formation will extend towards the periphery. Okay, this is continuous and extends throughout the life of the plant. This was all about the concept of heartwood and sapwood. I hope you all understand this. Thank you and stay blessed.